Hey guys, welcome in this channel, and this is the second lecture of golang. So in this lecture we are going to discuss on data type. So basically Go is a statically typed programming language. So this means that variables always have a specific type and that type cannot change. So the keyword where is used for declaring variables of a particular data type. So let's see. So if you want to declare your variable, how you can do, right? So using var and then name of the variable and what type of variable you are taking right now. You need to define the type and then whatever expression you want. Okay, what is that? What our expression? Okay, so this is I'm making the comment. Okay, so let's see the example. So suppose that if okay, so I'm going to make an example. Using the example I'm going to clear you what is the actual variable declaration, right? So package, then main, then import the library fmt, and then mm, func sorry using the function keyword, and then I'm going to create a main method. Okay, sorry. Okay, so in this main method we are going to declare our variable, right? So using the var keyword, this is the var actually. Okay, so going to just now you can see perfectly. So var I'm going to define my let's say my name of the variable is x, which is in type, and suppose the value is 1. Okay, and similarly I'm going to define one string type of variable. So var name, and the type is a string, and then let's say piyush, right? Okay, using fmt dot print, yeah, right, print all in. Okay, so I'm going to print my variable, so sorry, x, and same with my name. So I'm going to print my variable values, right? Okay, so okay, so going to the terminal and write go run my file name is go, as you can see in this is my file name, right? So go lang, okay, golang 02 dot go dot go. Okay, so we are getting error package main, and like this problem we are getting. Okay, so at the line number 1, okay, like the number 1 we cannot define like this the comment, so we're going to remove this one thing and extra spaces with. Okay, save this one file, and then again I'm going to run my file. Let's say you can see here, this is the one, this is my int type of variable, right? And this is my string type of variable which I declared previously, right? So like this you can declare your variable in Go language. So in the third lecture we will discuss how to work with the variables and also make the addition program using the Go language. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys.